Alright guys, so just so you guys can tell the difference, this here's my Evo, this quiet Prius right here, this is right next to the fucking pipes. So I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. That's what a stock Evo sounds.
Rev it for you?
Yeah, give it a rev. So this is completely bone stock. This is silly me. Alright, so that's that. Now this is Mercier's Evo MR, the one that I did a review of way back when. And he went and he bought a COBB Stage 3 kit. So this is what his sounds like. I'm still considering him being gay. Now this is Chuck's Evo, the one that I did a review on of his MagnaFlow exhaust. He's got the DC test pipe and the catback MagnaFlow. He is also a loser.